Hi guys, my name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see the demonstration of welding process. So the welding process is one of the very important process of workshop practices laboratory. So it is also one of the mandatory life skill of each and every engineers. Okay, not only it will be useful for our day-to-day life. Okay, it's a mandatory application. In the application point of view, we will be using the welding in all around the engineering applications. Okay, so today our students from CSC department, we are going to elaborate about how demonstrate about the welding and its process. Okay, so Shashmita and Sri Darshini will take this session.
First of all, let me introduce the introduction of welding. Welding is the process of joining two metals. It may include similar or dissimilar metals by using heat or without the application of pressure. In welding, let me take two metal pieces in which the edges of metal pieces are heated at high temperature at 900 degrees Celsius so that metal pieces are welded.
Of welding. There are four types of welding. There are arc welding, gas welding, resistive welding and MIG welding. And now we are using the arc welding. And the gas welding, we use two types of gases. They are oxygen and neon gases.
In welding, especially we use transformer, so in which current will come so that metal pieces will be welded. And application of welding is very necessary in industries, especially at households and machines, so that welding is very necessary to make the machines.
And now let me talk about the safety tools of the welding. It is goggle, it is used to protect your eyes, and it is a metal sheet, and it is also used to protect the eyes, and it is gloves, it is used in hands. And apron, it is used to protect our body from the spark. And these are the tools we use in the process of welding, and it is known as the tongs. And it is chipping hammer, it is used to clean the unwanted metals, and it is wire brush, and it is used to clean the unwanted waste.
And there are three types of joints in welding, which is first T-joint, and this is lap joint, and this is butt joint. Now we practically see the process of welding. This metal piece should be cleaned with the help of necessary tools and cooled so that we can use it.
And this because it is 5000 degrees Celsius. Using chipping hammer, we are removing the unwanted waste from
Yeah, it's very wonderful demonstration by our students. It will be very amazing because they are done the practically they can exposure how to do the welding process, and the demonstration is fantabulous. Thank you, students. Thank you.